Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 14 of our Christmas Advent Calendar, our diamond painting Advent Calendar. We're just around Santa's nose. So I'm super excited about this. I've been having so much fun opening these every day and I hope you're having fun too. So let's see what we have for day 14. And now we gotta tilt them forward and let them fall out. And what do we have? That's hysterical. You guys, day 14 is a little, what is this, a dragon or a dinosaur on a skateboard? Dressed up for Christmas. Oh my gosh, that is too cute for words. That is so cute. Alright guys, so I will work on this and play some music for you while I watch Christmas music, and I'll come back when it's done. I'll see you in a bit. It's so cute. Okay guys, so I am back, and unfortunately I broke off the clasp while I was trying to attach this. I squeezed too hard, and so this guy's not going to be a keychain, but what I'm hoping to do is to glue gun some ribbon to the back and just make it into a Christmas ornament, and that should work because he's still really cute. And if I can't glue gun a ribbon, then I can just put like a fridge magnet or something. So anyway, that is it for this guy. It was my fault for breaking it because I was using these and I went too low and I twisted. So that wasn't the ornament's fault. I was trying to fix this because it overlapped. So I was trying to get it to unoverlap and I just went too deep and I twisted it. So that one was completely my fault. But he's still cute. Alright guys, I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. And happy crafting. Bye guys. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.